President of the African Export-Import Bank, senior presidential aides present, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Your Excellency, Mr. President,
My name is Professor Benedict Orama, the president of the African Export-Import Bank.
You are here to
Cairo.
see Mr. President. May we know what brought you here?
African Export-Import Bank is a strong partner of the Nigerian government in many ways, and of course Nigeria is a very important member of the bank and shareholder of the bank. We're supporting the country in all aspects, all sectors, with exposure of about almost $12 billion. So we came to brief the president and also to pay a courtesy call with the delegation I led, the delegation of the King's College Hospital and King's College London, with whom we are partnering to build our first African Medical Center of Excellence, the project that is ongoing in Abuja. It's a 500 quaternary hospital that we are developing that we expect will help to promote traditional and medical tourism, help stop outbound tourism from Nigeria and Africa to other parts of the world, also reverse the brain drain, and also facilitate training and research within Nigeria and broader Africa. So we had very, very fruitful engagements and endorsement of the project by the president.
With the economic situation in Nigeria, are we expecting any intervention from the Exim?
Yes, AFREXIM Bank intervenes all across the value chain. I discussed with the president the aspects of what we could do to support agriculture and also to support banks in make sure that we increase supply of foreign exchange to the country to stabilize the currency. The situation in Nigeria is difficult but it's not unique to Nigeria. It's something happening all over across Africa, caused by challenges that started with the COVID-19 and, of course, the Ukraine crisis, then the rising interest rates, and the sovereign debt crisis that is affecting many countries in Africa. We're intervening not only in Nigeria but other African countries to help them manage the negative impacts of these developments. For Nigeria, as I mentioned earlier, with exposure of close to $12 billion, supporting sectors, agriculture, manufacturing, oil and gas, financial institutions. We have the broad spectrum of areas that we can use to further support the country and support the government to stabilize the market, be it prices of food, or prices, the petroleum prices.
What was the response of the president?
The president was very supportive of the work we are doing. The president also wants us to bring suggestions on how to solve the problems that our country is confronted with now, drawing from our experience from other parts of the world. The president was very, very emphatic on the need to deal with rising prices, to manage the impact of the rising food prices, and also to be able to continue to push the development agenda he has set for himself. He's fully focused on all those, recognizing the difficulties that are happening not only here but also other parts of Africa, because we may be solving our problems here, but if other parts of the continent are not also stabilized, we will not find stability in terms of economics here in Nigeria.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.